Hi Draw Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Garfield. So let's get started. To draw this cute cat, let's first start by drawing his nose. So I'm going to come right here and start with a soft curve. And then I'm going to round off the sides and then just connect it in the center. There. So now that we have this nose, we're going to go back and find the center. So say about right here. Just going to give myself a point, and I'm just going to go up nice and high. Let's just say about this high, and I'm just going to draw a straight line down. Just easier for my hand to go this way. And then from there, let's go up, and we're going to start to draw the eye. So I'm going to go across and around and just draw this big curve. And we're going to end about right here. So I'm just going to come back right here and just give myself another point. So we're going to bring this down, and it's going to get a little bit wider as we come out. So let's say about right here. Then I'm going to round it off and connect it with a soft curve all the way back. So let's draw the same thing over here. So I'm just going to go up just like the other side. It's always harder trying to match the other side. So about right there. And just like this side, about right here and here, we're going to bring it down and round it off and connect. There. So we have these two big curves in here for the eye. Just round this off a little bit more. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come back to say about right here, almost to where it starts to curve. I'm going to come right here and to here, and I'm going to draw a curve all the way across. All the way across. And then from there, we're going to come back to say about right here, and we're going to draw half of a circle for Garfield's eyes. And then come back in for another circle, half circle. And then right here, I'm just going to put in a little highlight and shade this all in. So same thing on this side, just a half circle. And once again, another one inside, a little highlight and shade it all in. There, give Garfield his signature look. Okay, so now that we have his eyes in, let's come back, and we're going to come back to the center right here, and we're going to draw a curve for his big smile. We're going to bring it all the way up, oops, to about right there, and cap it off. So same thing on the other side. So we're going to bring it all the way up to about right here. Just like the other side, and cap it off. Then from there, we're going to use this curve right here and just go around our smile. Just going to draw this curve that goes around it. Just round everything off. So same thing here. Just go around and connect it. There, so cute. And then I'm just going to come in here and just put in 3 dots for where his whiskers would go. Then from there, now that we have that in, fix my eye. Okay, now that we have that in, let's go ahead and we need to start to draw his head, which is kind of like my usual dumpling shape. So I'm going to come right here, just come really close to the center of this, really close. I'm going to give myself 2 points. And from there, I'm going to go up and start to draw my head. So I'm going to go up and I'm going to taper it. So I'm just going around the eye. It's going to get a little bit narrower as we go up to the top to about, and of course, make any adjustments. So hopefully you're using a pencil at home. So about right here towards my center. Now I can bring it all the way back down to here, just like the other side. Always trickier on the other side. And bring it right back there. Sorry for my messy lines. And then from there, we're going to go around And we're going to bring it nice and low. So let's say I'm just going to give myself a point. Let's say about right here, just so kind of how far I wanted to go down. And so it's just easier for me to see where I'm going since I'm drawing pretty big. So I'm just going to go back and forth. There, and other side. There, so just kind of like this dumpling shape for his head. Then from there, let's come right back to the center. So say about right here, and we're going to draw his ears. So we're going to go up on this side, nice round ears, and about right here, just bring it in. And same thing over here. Same exact thing. So I'm just going to drag this point across, approximate. So know about how high, and bring it in. And then we're going to draw the inside. So come about right here, and we're just going to go around, and this part is going to be nice and thin. And same thing here. So much thicker on this side. Go around and nice and thin. There. Okay, so then I'll draw in all the little markings, his stripes a little bit later. Let's work on, oh, actually, you know what? Let's come back here before I forget. We need to draw the whiskers. So I'm going to come right here and just draw 3 curves. Maybe this one is a little bit longer and then a shorter one. And then you can come to the edge right here and round it off to make this part a little bit thicker. There, and same thing over here. So 1, 2, and 3. There. Okay, so now we have his whiskers, and then we can go ahead and draw his cute little body. So I'll say about right here and here, just to center my body. I'm going to give myself 2 points and then draw a curve coming out. There. Now that we have that in, let's bring it down a little bit more. And I just want to make it sure we're at the same height on both sides. Then from there, we're going to come right here and cut it off with a curve. And then about right there, I'm going to stop and then just make sure I don't pass my center. Just remember where my center is, about right here. I'm going to go up right here and start to draw Garfield's hands. So I'm going to go up close to his head. Don't pass the center, and we're just going to draw 1 finger. Another finger, and then a smaller one comes down. And then from there, let's go over here for his arms, and we're just going to come down and connect everything. There. So same thing on this side. So just kind of, you know, same thing right about here, and we're going to cut it off. Just like the other side. And since I know this is my center, I'm just going to come right here. And I just want to touch everything. So I'm just going to use that. I'm going to touch, basically just draw exact opposite of what I just drew on that side. And in, and then this part can come down. There. And then this is going to come down, and then we're going to connect everything, just like the other side. And the elbow. There. Okay, so then now that we have the hands in, let's just imagine this part right here is going through the arms, and it's going to pop out about right here. Same thing on this side. Let's make Garfield nice and chubby, of course. It's going to pop out about right there. And we're just going to bring it down and connect everything. So a curve. So about right there. And connect. And then from there, let's draw his feet. So once again, just remember where your center is. We're going to go to the left of it and then go to the right of it. And then from there, we're going to draw a curve and another curve. So that's where the legs are going to start. So then from there, let's come about here. Draw another curve. So it's a little bit thinner here and wider here. And same thing here. So let's work on this foot first. I'm going to come down, come out, and then curve about right there. Same thing here. So then from there, let's bring this down a little bit more. And here, I'm going to pop Garfield's foot out. So it's going to be wider than his tummy area. So make sure it goes out further. And then about right here, I'm going to curve it in. Put in another curve. And then about right here, just connect everything. There. So same thing on the other side. Right here. Approximately same. Go straight. So then about right here, once again, in, and then another curve, then bring it in. There. Okay, so we have the other foot, and then we need to draw the tail. So about right here, I'm just gonna pop in the tail, so I'm gonna curve it close to the foot, and then just curve in. There, and that is pretty much it. Except now we have to put in all the markings that makes him Garfield, right? So let's go back in, and I'm just gonna come right here and just zigzag some stripes, and I'll shade it all in. And same thing here. And then we have some stripes we need to draw. So to draw Garfield's stripes, the easiest way is to go about right here, just get a Sharpie or black marker and just zigzag all the way. And same thing here. There, something like that. This is a little too heavy. It should be a little bit lighter like this with more spacing. So then same thing here and here. There, so a little bit more spacing in between. So once again, same thing here and here. There, so this one is a little, don't do that. It's too thick, it's too dark. Okay, so then we also need it on his body. So here and here. And then on the curved part right here. And two more on this side. And then on his tail. One here. And then this part is zigzags, just like his ears, and shade it all in. There, and I don't believe there's anything on his arms, so I'm going to leave that blank, but if there is, I will definitely add it. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Garfield. I really hope you loved how this turned out and that I helped you draw him fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.